how to send money in Uganda or any other country, but be specific. Uganda using Airtel money from Binance. Oh, sorry, from Botim. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If it's your very first time, you're most welcome. My name is Martha Kemirembe. This is Atutaka Solutions, where we do tech, business, and investment tips. Kindly subscribe and turn on that bell notification icon to be notified for new videos. Now, you just have to download the Botim app. If you don't have the Botim app, you can check the link in the comment section or in the description of this very video, and then you download the app and the Botim app, and then you can start sending money actually. So I was just trying to check with my account and stuff like that. So you click where you see Botim money, yeah, that's where you click if you want to start sending money abroad. And as you can see, if you want to make an international transfer, you click where you see international transfer. Under below the financial services, there is scan to pay, there is show to pay, there is then international transfer. All right, so it has been quite a while when without me using this Botim, yeah, so I think some few months, yeah. So as you can see, they're updating the service, so I had to wait until the update is done, just a few minutes, yeah, and then I had to continue with the transaction. So again, guys, as you can see, it's already now updated. Okay, so you can check another video. There's a very first video I did about this Botim, but this is just another version, like an updated version. Okay, but again with Airtel money. So the other time I used MTN, but it's the same thing actually. Now when you click on international transfer, then you click on add person. You add if that person is new, if you want to add a new recipient, and immediately you do that, then they'll open for you this page where you have to put in the information, as in the amount that you want to send. As you can see, if you choose Uganda, they'll show you the currency that we use in Uganda, that is UGX. If you put Kenya, they'll put for you KSH. If you're sending to Nigeria, if you're sending to Nigeria, they'll put for you Naira. If you're sending to South Africa, they'll put for you South Africa Rand. Okay, now I was just juggling to see the exchange rate. So you put in either the UGX or the AED, and it will convert automatically. So if you put 377 AED, it will amount to 390,000 Ugandan shillings. And then you want to put in consideration that there is that 10 dirham that they charge. So they charge 9.5, then 0 point something for VAT. So in total it's 10 transaction fee. That is actually the lowest, considering other methods. As you can check on my channel, I've done for Western Union, I've done for what is this other one, PaySend. As you can see, these ones are already in, because yeah, next time when you want to change to send, you just change the amount and a few things here and there, so it keeps your history, and that's a good thing about Botim. All right, so now the beneficiaries, country and currency, it's auto filled as you already put Uganda, so the currency is also there. Methods are based on the beneficiaries. Now, and the beneficiaries currency. Now each country is different, so your country might be showing some other mobile apps and what, but now for me, I'm sending from UAE to Uganda, so it will show me where you can see wallet service charge is 10, it shows, and transfer speed is in 10 minutes. And then you can see if you want to use bank transfer, service charge is still 10 AED, and then transfer speed is 1 to 4 banking days. Again, if you want to use cash pickup using MoneyGram, still the service charge is 10 AED, and transfer speed is still in a few minutes. Okay, so next now is the relationship, and you want to put, because I mean, the things you want to send to people you know. Okay, don't send money to strangers, to people you're not sure of, and no. Okay, so be careful with money issues. All right, now first name, you need to put in the first name, middle name. As you can see, you click in that icon to see, you know, if you must put the middle name, if that person has a middle name, in order to avoid issues. So mobile number, okay, last name, now mobile number, guys, first name in English, oh okay, first name is your is your English name. Last name is your surname. Okay, so some of you can be perturbed by that. It's just English name, Martha, that is your first name. Then the other name is the erinya ly'ekika over the surname. That's the second name or the last name. All right. Now mobile number, you want to put in the number minus the 25, the code. Okay. So you put in the number properly. Yeah. If you're pasting now, I'm just showing you now the wallet name is Airtel this time round. If you want to send on MTN, still you choose MTN and you put in the MTN number. Don't do vice versa. Airtel then put MTN number, MTN then put Airtel number. No. Mutekemu ebifaanagana. MTN era oba oteekamu namba ya MTN. Tulisenna. Okay guys, so I was just showing you now. Here on the wallet you have to make sure you put that 256 minus the plus, as you can see. Then here eri ku mobile number oteekamu number just nga bwetandika nti $7. Okay, because I've showed you what I'm talking about. Okay, now you can add the beneficiary, and you have successfully added that name. Now you can decide to transfer now or decide to add another beneficiary of your choice. Okay, now since the information is already now pre-filled and you want to go ahead and send now, you want to be sure Airtel, then the number, that one. So changing your transfer method may affect conversion rates and other charges. Okay, so these things are automatic, they are always updated. Every time you change, it also changes. Okay, send money. Now after everything is clean, good and cut, I had to go back and edit the amount so that I have to put in consideration with the sending charge, that is 10 AED. Okay, now in accordance with the UAE requirements, please specify the details below. Purpose of transaction, personal or need expense, or now source of funds, is it savings, is it what? Be wise. Okay, this sending money, it has to be at least in between people you know, relatives and stuff. It's safer like that. Okay, so you just click continue. These are my biometrics. That's why you're seeing the screen is black. It's for security purposes. So once you click that, they will take you to your details where you put in the card, the CVV. Now I'm using the card, okay, the bank card, the debit card. As you can see now, again I was putting in the OTP. After the OTP, class, everything is done. As you can see, the ADCB alert, your credit card, debit card, that one. Now so this is processing. Now you just come here. If you want to see the details of this transaction, you just come here and click on that Kailo processing processor. This blue looks nice, Vanaki. I think I'm going to put this on my thumbnail. Okay, so refer and okay, service updated, refer and get reward. Okay, so guys, again you can see how you can make extra income with sharing this app with other friends. So share your link with your friends, invite them to the international money transfer service. Your friend successfully completes their Emirates ID verification. You must have your Emirates ID. You know, here in UAE, like to do these transactions, bank stuff, what verification is required, and you must have your Emirates ID. Okay, so now you can copy the link. You click on share and copy the link and decide to share to your friends and stuff like that. And then you can get your additional income like that. You know me, I'm team additional income. So hi, I have been using Botim. This is the auto-generated message from them. So get 15 AED for free on Botim. Use my invite link or referral code to complete your Emirates ID verification on the Botim app and get 15 AED for free in your Botim wallet. You can use the free money to do your first international money transfer on Botim for free, thanks to their zero service charge offer. Yeah, the first time you use Botim, they don't charge you. Actually, me, I did 2 times and they were not charging me. So it is the 3rd transaction when they charged me, when they started charging. So your first transfer is free. Okay, now once you click in the transaction in progress, they'll show you transaction submitted, transaction in progress, transaction completed. Those are the details: sending amount, receiving amount, exchange rate, order number, transaction date, sender name, transfer method, expected delivery date, and the payment method as included down below. Then the total amount, then the VAT is 0.48, and the service charge is 9.52. Total comes to 10 AED. Now once you click on that car link to see the receipt, it will take you directly to your official Botim Gundi. Yeah, I'll show you soon where you can check that one for your transactions. They store all your transactions there, just like any other bank app, your card, your digital banking. Okay, your information, your history is stored, so you can always refer to it and stuff like that. So remittance invoice, that is your invoice that the payment is successful, and those are the details for you to confirm. Just in case there is anything, you can consult the customer care, but this money usually arrives in minutes as promised. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to show you something here. Katolaba. Let's go. Now you continue to, if you want to send money again, you can continue and say send money. Now you start another transaction and stuff like that. Okay, so now this is what I was showing you. Now this is your main Botim Gundi menu, home menu. As you can see, there are calls, chats, explorer, contacts, and then there is me, that's your account. Then there is this chat for the talking. Now then there's this official accounts. Now in the official accounts, that's where your history is. You click in any of those, and then as you can see, this is my very first transaction I made was on August 25th, 2023. Okay, and this video I uploaded it still, I think, last year, 2023. So this is just the updated in 2024 update. And that's it for this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and loved ones, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.